I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll solve differential equation with initial conditions. The equation here is solve equation dy dx equals to 6x plus 4 with initial condition. We have two different initial conditions. The first one is y equals to 0 when x equals to 0, and the second one is y equals to 2 when x equals to minus 1. So these are the two different conditions. As you know, whenever you have a differential equation like the one we have here, say dy dx equals to 6x plus 4, we could solve this equation using antiderivatives, right? So we could write this as y equals to 6. Now for x square over 2 is the antiderivative of x, right? If I take derivative of x square, I get 2x. This 2 cancels with that. So finally, you get 6x only. For 4, it is 4x. And always, there is a constant c. The reason is that the derivative of this constant is 0. So it could be any number, right? So that becomes a very general solution for this differential equation. Now these conditions give you the value of c, basically, correct? So now let's put these conditions a and b and find what c is. So for the first one, we say y is 0 when x equals to 0. So that means if I substitute y as 0 and x as 0, I am in a position to find what c is, right? So y is 0, I am substituting, and then I will substitute x as 0. So this basically equation becomes 6 over 2, I should have written 3 here, times 0 plus 4 times 0 plus c. That gives you the value of c as 0. Do you see that? So we know the constant c in this particular case. Once we know that, we could write down the solution as y equals to, this time 6 divided by 2 is 3. So let me write 3x squared now. 3x squared plus 4x. That gives us the solution of the given equation, right? Now let's substitute these values and find the constant value, right? So we found that the solution of this differential equation is y equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus c. To find the value of c, we'll again substitute these values, 2 for y and minus 1 for x, right? And then calculate the value of c. So what we get here is 2 equals to 3 minus 4 plus c, which is, you could do one more step here, minus 1 plus c, or 2 plus 1 equals to c, which is indeed 3. Therefore, the solution of this differential equation with the given condition, initial conditions as y equals to 2 when x equals to minus 1 will be y equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus 3, correct? So that becomes our solution for the given initial condition. And the only difference in these is the value of c. If the initial condition is not given, we can provide a general solution with the constant. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope you understand this basic concept. Let's move on from here. Thank you and all the best.